Hi, today we're going to go over how to do quick feet in and outs. So initially I was very confused on how to do this, but it's mimicking the ladder exercise where you step in and out and move forward. I've illustrated very easily with chalk on the ground. So in this box is the in movement, so your 2 feet should be in, like so. Then I've demonstrated on the out. So when the out movement, you put your foot to the out, out, in. So I'll do up to speeds, okay? So out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay? So in the ladder movement, usually you'll move forward. So you go out, in, out, in, out, in.
Okay.
Okay? So that's how you do quick feet in and outs. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.